What's up, guys? Welcome to the PrimeXBT review and tutorial. My name is Kyle, and I'm going to have a look at this platform and see what it looks like and how to use it. So for those of you who do not yet have a PrimeXBT account, if you are looking to get one, make sure you use my link in the description below. You do get up to $7,000 in sign-up bonuses if you do use the promotional code Kyledoops. So once you use the link in the description, it will ask you for a promo code. Make sure that you do use that. You lose absolutely nothing, and it does give me a small kickback. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. I am already on the platform. I just deposited some funds into the account, and let's take a look at it. This is what it looks like. So starting off, you can see you have a whole bunch of things here: wallets, margin trading, yield accounts. You have copy trading options, copy trading portfolio, copy trading strategies. That's if you yourself want to become a person that gets copied in your own trading, you can create strategies. And then they have contests. One awesome thing about this platform is that you can actually participate in the contest with demo account money. So you don't even have to risk your own real money, and you can still win real money at the end if you do win the contest. So it's a great way to practice if you're completely new to this. So all right, let's have a look. Top tabs, you have main, trade, buy crypto, copy trading, yield, and contest. So if you do want to buy crypto, they have a couple of different methods in how you can get your crypto in. You can either buy through Visa or MasterCard using Coinify, or you can go through Paxful over here. And you can make a decision if you want to deposit USDT. When you do purchase, then they'll fund your account with the relevant one that you chose over here. What I did is I just went to trade, and I just deposited money directly into my account. So on the account over here, you select margin account in USDT or BTC. I did that, and I just deposited from one of my other exchanges directly into here. So all you need to do is you would then click, of course, fund account. My account is already funded. So let's get straight into the other features over here that you have. Clicking again on main, wallets. These are the different coins that you're able to hold. So it's a much more simple platform. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, or USDC. Nice and easy. Those are the main trading pairs. And you can actually trade both Forex as well as crypto. There's a couple of different stocks that have been listed on here as well. So a lot of different options compared to the traditional crypto exchanges out there. Definitely more for the serious traders, probably not for the newbies out there. For some of you who may be more experienced, you will see why in a moment. But with that being said, going on to margin trading. So look, all I have to do is click fund account once you've already deposited your funds. I'm just using a trial $101, transfer that in. That's just for the purpose of this explanation of how to actually enter the trades on here. Once you've done that, you'll click on trade. So it takes you through everything as well, step by step. It shows you all set, let's go, ready to move in. Leverage trading, it gives an explanation just so you guys know they mainly deal with cross margin. So you would know you get isolated and cross leverage types of trading. Isolated means that you're only risking the capital that you enter into that particular trade. Bear in mind, with cross margin trading, you would be risking anything that's in the margin account. So even if you decide you want to enter a $10 trade, if that position were to move against you, it would be using the other 90 out of the $100. So you're using $10 to trade with. It would also use the other $90 as collateral if the position starts to move against you, and it would automatically adjust your position size. So going through this whole step, let's click finish. Now you decide what is it that you want to trade. As I mentioned over here, if you click on all markets, you got CFDs, crypto, and Forex. For today, I'm going to say let's trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently crashing at the moment, so I'm kind of going to be looking for a short opportunity. And again, this is just to show you how this works. This is not necessarily the exact trade idea that I would be taking, but for the purpose of this, let's have a look at it. Okay, so we had a trend line in here, and I said, okay, well, that would stop you out. So now we'll be looking for a new position. Let's just say, for example, we have a break of this trend line now, and we're looking for a long with our stop directly underneath. So something like this. let's put that over there. And then you put your stop loss underneath that swing low, and we're targeting back to the top of the range, which gives us let's go there like that, a risk to reward of about a 1 to 3. So let's see. I'm going to enter this trade just for the purpose of education over here. It's in at $18,994. So what you would do is, this is very important, guys. They work a little bit differently, almost like lot sizes in Forex. So essentially what you're doing over here is, this would be how you enter your position out of your $100 that you have listed. If you want to enter half of that $100, you would click a 0.5. That would give you half of the position size, meaning you're entering with $50. If you want to enter with all of your capital that you have available, which is the full $100, as I have over here, you would click 1. So let's go with 50% for now. Let's say 50%, and we're looking to enter long. So let's just double check the zones over here. Let's go 19,000 on the dot over there, 19,000. Okay, so we're going to click buy. And this is where you can enter everything in. As you would know, of course, a market order means that you pay a little bit additional in fees as opposed to what you would on a limit order. If you choose a limit order, it will only enter you on that exact price that you selected. And therefore, you pay less on fees. If markets are moving quickly, it means that you risk maybe not getting into the position, but of course it's a lot more precise as an entry, and you do reduce fees, which is something we want to do. So limit order, we're going in with 50% over there, and we're entering at current price. So here you go, let's see, $19,000. Let's put that a little bit lower. Great, $19,000. You can place your stop loss. As we mentioned, our stop loss would be below the previous lows before we broke this trend line. So we're going 18,823. So I'll just type that in, 18,823. And our take profit, we are targeting the top over here, which is going to be 19,550. Okay, double check everything. Make sure your stops are correct. 19,550 over there. Perfect. 18,000. Let's just double check that one. $18,800. Perfect. So send order through. Now it's going to show you over here, you're buying half of your position size, so of your available capital. That's a 0.5, which is half of that at $19,000. And we say confirm. There we go. So the order has been set. You can see that it's sitting over here. And if you do want to, you can go through to the bottom and you'll be able to see once the order gets filled, it will show up over here. It will show you what your profits and losses are. It will show you where your TP is, where your stop loss is, and you're welcome to adjust that as well. Once the order gets entered, this will all be featured below, and it will be adjustable in case you do want to exit from this current position. This has been entered on the 5-minute chart. Of course, you can change that time frame over there. And then with their charts, you have an option as well. If you do want to match the charts with other asset classes, for example, you want to see what the DXY is doing, what the S&P 500 is doing whilst you are trading Bitcoin, you can do all your charting over here. They have a whole bunch of features. At the moment, it's got S&P 500, Euro, and crude oil. So guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Short and sweet. I think it's a very simple exchange to use, nothing too complicated. Copy traders, this is something that I haven't experimented with too much, but if you do click on that, you can see what their return is. So looking at this guy in the top, he's got about a 731% return, and then you're welcome to follow them as well. You can filter through if you do want to change things. For example, you want to see how many days have they been active. I would say this is an important step if you ever do go into copy trading. Choose the guys that have been active for the longest period of time, so more than 90 days. Choose the guys with the most followers. This is probably one of your better guys to follow. Look at, he's got massive profits, 1,147%. He has a 4-star rating. Make sure if you are copy trading, rate the copy traders as well, as that protects the next guy that may want to get in. Remember, these copy trading guys are limited. They usually fill up rather quickly. They only allow for 100, 200, 300, depends on the parameters and what the relationship is with the exchange. But it is a great option to passively make money. Remember, risk management is key. So this is not financial advice, and I'm definitely not a financial advisor, but risk management is absolutely key. Anytime that you are using any sort of copy trading platform, you still need to calculate what your loss would be, and what you would accept as an adequate loss. So if you, for example, have a $10,000 trading account, you're only meant to be risking 2% on any particular trade, meaning that you shouldn't be losing more than $200. So if you're going to be using a copy trader and your normal account size to trade with is $10,000, I would recommend only experimenting with $200 with a copy trader. So be smart, use good strategies. You can practice those strategies in here as well. As I mentioned, using the My Strategy section, click Get Started. It will show you, it will take you through the whole process. It back tests it for you and everything, which is phenomenal. And then the yield is going to be similar to any other platform that's out there, right? You can stake your coins depending on what you have. Stake it for a certain amount of time, and you'll receive yield. If you have USDT and you know that you don't want to use it for an extended period of time, have a look at their competitive yield rates and consider using that as well. So guys, I think that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure that you give this video a like, hit the bell notification, hit the subscribe button as well, and ask me in the comments if you have any questions. Use the link below, as mentioned, PrimeXBT over there. If you do use the sign up promo code Kyledoops over there, you will receive up to $7,000 in sign up bonuses. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Have a fantastic day. Good luck with your trading out there, and stay well.